Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we discussed about ChatGPT. So we go on Google, and when we go on Google, we search about ChatGPT. ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversation dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. Can we use ChatGPT for free? That says you can use ChatGPT for free with newly created OpenAI account. If you ever need to return, you will need to manually navigate to chat. OpenAI.com ChatGPT doesn't offer a mobile app, at least not yet. How much will ChatGPT cost? ChatGPT Plus was announced at the end of January 2023 and is priced at $20 per month. At the time of writing, it is available as part of pilot plan only through so only a select amount of users currently have access. Can I use ChatGPT for free? At present, GPT is only accessible those who have access to ChatGPT Plus, a premium service from OpenAI for which users have to pay $20 like all the good things in life. To access the impressive features of ChatGPT 4, one needs to pay the price. How to make money with ChatGPT? Read on to discover 6 ways to make money even if you know a thing about AI. Get business ideas from ChatGPT, freelancing, blogging, email marketing, create videos using ChatGPT, write ebooks, and self publish. Will ChatGPT replace programmers? The short answer is no. ChatGPT will not replace programmer entirely. However, has the potential to automate some aspects of programming such as code generation, bug fixing, and documentation. ChatGPT can learn from vast amount of code and data, making it possible to generate new code similar to existing code. Can ChatGPT be detected? Can universities detect ChatGPT? It is now to completely possible university to detect ChatGPT and many other AI content generator. If work is submitted through a university learning management system such as Turnitin AI and plagiarism detection should happen. Is ChatGPT a safe? If you use the platform to get something typed, there's no harm. It will not install malicious files into your PC. So for that purpose, ChatGPT is entirely safe. Can I use ChatGPT for commercial use? As with many brands, OpenAI does not allow the use of its names, logos, and trademark, including ChatGPT, without its prior written consent. Who invented ChatGPT? OpenAI ChatGPT is released on November 22. It is built on the top of OpenAI GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 foundational large language model (LLMs) and has been fine-tuned an approach to transfer learning using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. I hope so you understand about ChatGPT. So thank you for watching our video.